Introducing Godrej 244-litre frost-free inverter double-door refrigerator, the ultimate kitchen companion to store and preserve your favorite food. Let me tell you about its 6-in-1 convertible freezer technology. The auto mode intelligently adjusts the freezer temperature to ensure your frozen treats or frozen peas or other essential remain in perfect condition. And when your freezer load is less, the low load mode kicks in, conserving energy and reducing your electricity consumption. Love ice cream? The ice cream mode provides the ideal temperature to serve those mouth-watering frozen desserts. Deep freezer mode, you can rest easy knowing your frozen food is preserved with maximum cooling, maintaining its taste, texture and nutrients. So let's look at the other features. Nano Shield technology. The food we eat passes through many hands and has many germs. With this advanced nano coating, you can achieve 95% plus food surface disinfection. The Godrej refrigerator with its cool balance technology and farm freshness preserves your food in a way that makes it last longer. Combined with moisture control technology, it helps allow you to extend the freshness of your fruits and vegetables for up to 30 days. With its ambient weather sensing technology, this refrigerator intelligently adjusts cooling based on external room temperature. Plus, its intelligent operations adapt the automatic defrosting process to your usage patterns. This 3-star refrigerator comes with multi-inverter technology that has an inverter compressor as well as an inverter fan motor. Plus, its thick PUF insulation provides long-lasting freshness with cooling retention for up to 24 hours. This refrigerator features a thoughtfully designed easy slide shelf lock that lets you conveniently reach items placed at the back. We're not done yet. The 3 great features of this refrigerator that will truly elevate your refrigerator experience. First up, we have the movable ice maker that allows you to adjust the position of the ice maker based on the freezer load or even remove it when you don't need it. The refrigerator comes equipped with a bright LED prism lens, maintaining the uniform distribution of light across all corners. Lastly, with a generous storage space of 27 liters, you can keep your produce organized and easily accessible. When it comes to warranty coverage, you will receive a comprehensive 1-year warranty on the product and a 10-year warranty on the compressor, ensuring that you're protected against any manufacturing defect or issues. Upgrade your kitchen with a Godrej 244-litre 3-star frost-free inverter double-door refrigerator. Visit Amazon now and enjoy benefits like hassle-free installation, scheduled delivery, no-cost EMI option, an exchange program of your old refrigerator, and the option of open box examination at delivery in select pin codes.